These fraction mats are used to introduce the learning of equivalent fractions in relation to comparing. We use these fraction mats when we are demonstrating the equivalence and relationship of fractions. This will be demonstrated in the materials language stage. Now this yellow circle is called a whole, and over here we have two halves of a circle. One of them is called 1 part out of 2 parts, or 1/2. Over here we have 1 part out of 3 parts, or 1/3. Over here we have 1 part out of 4 parts, or 1/4. And over here we have 1 part out of 6 parts, or 1/6. And here we have 1 part out of 8 parts, or 1/8. Now let's see how many of the orange halves can fit on the yellow hole. How many orange halves do you think will fit or cover the yellow hole? Let's have a look. 1, 2. The 2 halves cover the yellow hole. So 2 halves is the same as 1 whole. So what about the blue quarters? How many of the blue quarters will cover the yellow hole? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 quarters cover the yellow hole. So 4 quarters is the same as 1 whole. And now, how many of the grey 8s will cover the yellow hole? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of the 8s cover the yellow hole. So 8 8s is the same as 1 whole. We can also see how many quarters is the same as 1/2. So here is 1/2. How many quarters do you think will be the same as 1/2? Let's see. 1, 2. 2 quarters is the same as 1/2. What about the 6? How many of the green 6 will cover the 2 quarters? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. So 3/6 is the same as 2 quarters, which is also the same as 1/2. If I take a third, how many of the green 6 will cover the 1/3? Let's have a look. 1, 2. So 2/6 is the same as 1/3.